Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a half regular lasagna, half zucchini pasta salala lasagna. Tiffany is cooking up the hamburger meat, and I've got 2 cups of cottage cheese, some parsley, a little bit of shredded 3 blend cheese, and 1 egg and garlic paste. Right now I'm finishing up the hamburger meat, and I have some sausage cooking up right now. I got my Rayo's tomato basil sauce. That's going to be my sauce. And my cottage cheese mixture is mixed up. And then I have my zucchini noodles sliced and ready to go. And then I'm just going to be using for the other half these oven ready lasagna noodles for Chris and the kids. So here I have the hamburger meat and the sausage mixed together, and then I added in the can of the Rayo's pasta sauce, the tomato basil. So now that that's done, I'm going to put a thin layer of that down in my pan. Tiffany, you want to hold this while I do this? While I layer the lasagna? And put a little bit down in the pan. I need more sauce. Need more sauce? You want it to be more saucy?
There's never enough sauce.
Okay. First we're going to do my half, which is some zucchini noodles.
Those are not noodles, those are strips. Just ripped.
That's okay.
He's fixed.
We're going to have to break them.
All about life hacks.
Okay, where that went. I feel like probably can be more noodle than this, because this is my end. There we go.
And there's more people on that side from this side.
Okay, so now we're going to do some of the mixture, and then we're going to try to
You got a noodle on your side.
mozzarella, oh, that's a thick piece of mozzarella.
Sticky.
Now we're just going to put it in the oven for like 30 minutes.
Say that again, I was distracted.
And now we're just going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. At 350 degrees.